guys, it's Jimmy back here on the King Shaka channel, and today you'll notice I have these 4 ginormous boxes sitting in front of me, and you guessed it, they are wheels for my truck. Now if you're lost, I'm going to show you my truck in a second. It's the 7.3 that I did a lot of work on so far, and I really have been putting off wheels. So now finally today we're going to see what I ordered and see if you guys like it, and hopefully I like it and stuff. So let's get unboxing, and I'll show you my truck real quick too. So let's get started. For new people, here is my truck. 2002 F350 7.3 Powerstroke. As you can see, it doesn't look like a 7.3 because I swapped it. And if you've been following my videos, you'll know that I did the King Ranch seats in the inside. Check out that last video. They're not perfect, but I also did a dash swap. As you can see, this interior looks really good. So I was trying to focus on this and finish it before I moved on to this wheel setup. And you can see, I'll show you this other side. These wheels are ugly and they don't go with the truck at all. So their time has ended and I'm going to be getting rid of them soon. So this is just to give you a show of what is on the truck currently before we go unbox that order that I placed. So let's go do that and we'll see if these things look as good as they did in the pictures. Alright, so let's slice these open with these scissors. Oh man, this is exciting here. Let's see. Oh, of course there's another box. And that gives away what brand of the wheel I went with. But there's still a surprise to it, because you don't know which wheel I got. Got a little bit of paperwork, it looks like. Alright, here we go. You ready? Dang, these look good. I don't know if the lighting is that good. Let me pull this thing out. I brought it over here in the shade to give you a better look. But they are Gear alloy, 20 by 12, negative 44 millimeter offset, hacksaw. I forget the exact number of the wheel, but I think it was like 746 or something. I can't remember, but these things are absolutely gorgeous wheels, and this is not part of it. It's just a foam piece. But look at these things. I'll stand it up here. That is going to look so good on the truck. I am excited, and now I just need to get some more tires, but that's what we got, and I think that it will look good on the truck over there. It's going to try to give it that street look, and the milled accents here are really going to shine, and I can't complain with this wheel at all. And this is just the paperwork that came with it, and I'm confirming that they are 748 BM Gear alloys, hacksaw. That's the name of the wheel. And like I said, 20 by 12, negative 44. And these are just some warranty claims, I think. It'll probably cover just like paint peeling and stuff, but it won't cover like pitting or anything. And just like installation, I think. So that's just what that is. Just wanted to show you. Yeah guys, so those wheels look absolutely fantastic. I am so happy with the way they came out. They look exactly like they did on the picture. Let me know what you guys think, and I think it's gonna look really good on the truck with the street like look that I'm going for, with like a blackout look now. But yeah, originally I wasn't going for the black milled wheels. I was going for like another look, but after really thinking about it, I want to lower the truck, I think, and make it more street-like, and something like that. I don't really want it lifted high or anything, so that's why I bought these wheels. They look good enough for me, so why not? But let me know what you guys think, if I made a good choice or not. I'm open to your opinions, but I'm not going to return these wheels. I'm definitely rolling with them because I like them, and I just like hearing everybody's opinion though. Pretty soon I'm just gonna have to get some more tires, hopefully next week, and then we can get them mounted and get them on the beast over there and have this thing rolling. So let's see how that looks in a week or so. But thanks for watching this video. If you're new, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this channel a little bit. Just over 200 still, and we're growing each day. So I really thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. I'll see you in the next video.